my way.
Viewers, how are you? Welcome to Easy Coding with VG. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about HTML radio buttons and HTML checkboxes. So today in this lecture, we will discuss about HTML stack boxes and stack box as attributes. So let's move our Visual Code Editor. So first of all, we will create a header here first, and we will name it Slack boxes. And we will insert a tag of Slack box, which is actually select. So I will insert a tag of select here, select, and I will insert an attribute in this tag, like attribute like name. I will give it to month, and then in this Slack tag we will insert an option tag, and in this option tag we will insert an attribute with the name value. First of all, we will give a name to this option tag like January, and in this value we will write here Jan. And similarly, we will just copy this tag and paste it to the 12 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we will just change their values and save these values. August, July, and June. We will just save this and we will move back to our browser. First, we just open this from our desktop. Here is our website. So we will just open this and refresh this. So you can see that we have a select box option here. So if I click on this, so you can see that all the months of a year has been appeared in a column. So you can select any of the month from this menu bar. So you can see that how this checkbox actually works in HTML coding. So if I want to add more attributes in this select box, so what I will do, I will simply uh, uh, if I write here in this select, if I write here in this option tag selected is equal to selected, selected is equal to selected. Now if I save this and I will move back to my browser and refresh this, so you can see that if I open this, wait a second. Basically this attribute selected always appears before the value attribute. So I will simply cut this and paste it before the value attribute. Let's say I paste it in the February value option tag. I will simply paste it and I will simply save this and I will move back to my browser and refresh this. And now you can see that the February tag, the February option is already selected in our select boxes. So you can see that how this selected tag, this selected attribute actually works in select boxes. So if I remove this and paste it in another tag, if I paste it in this tag and save this, and well, I will move back to my browser and refresh this, so you can see that the April tag appears in select box. The April has been appeared in select box as I mentioned a selected attribute in April tag, in April option tag. So you can see that how this selected attribute actually works in select boxes. So if I want to add more attributes in select boxes, so what I will do, so I will simply and so now if I change these values, and I change these number of I change this number of years with the number of days. I will write here Monday and Tuesday and Thursday similarly Friday, Saturday, Saturday and Sunday. And we will also change its these values Monday. So I will write here mon Monday, Monday for mon, and second one Tuesday for tu, and Wednesday for wet, similarly, and so on. Thursday for third, Friday for fry, basically I will write here Wednesday, Thursday here, Friday here, Saturday here, and Sunday here. So, and now I will remove these attributes. So I will add an attribute with the size, with the name size in the select tag. I will write here size, and I will give it a value like for example 4, and I will simply save this, and I will move back to my browser and refresh this. So now you can see that a scroll bar appears in a select box just because I gave it an attribute with the name size is equal to 4. So if I want to increase its size, so I will write here size is equal to 10, and I will save this, and I will move back to my browser and refresh this. So you can see that the size of this box has been increased to 10 pixel. So you can increase an attribute, you can add an attribute of size. So you can see that how this attribute actually works in select box. So now if I want to so that's enough for today's lecture, and We will discuss more about HTML select boxes in the next lecture. So subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss the updates. Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz, thank you.